If you eat 2 bananas per day for a month, this is what happens to your body. Bananas also are known as the complete food, and that is due to the fact that this fruit contains all the nutrients that human body needs. Unfortunately, it seems that this incredible superfood is underrated. They contain several essential nutrients, and have benefits for digestion, heart health and weight loss. Aside from being very nutritious, they are also a highly convenient snack food. Bananas contain a fair amount of fiber, as well as several antioxidants. One medium-sized banana, 118 grams. Potassium, 9% of the RDI. Vitamin B6, 33% of the RDI. Vitamin C, 11% of the RDI. Magnesium, 8% of the RDI. Copper, 10% of the RDI. Manganese, 14% of the RDI. Net carbs, 24 grams. Fiber, 3.1 grams. Protein, 1.3 grams. Fat, 0.4 grams. Namely, bananas contain nutrients, vitamins, natural sugars, fructose and sucrose, and fibers. Majority people buy the bananas when they have greenish yellow color. Over time, this fruit changes its color. Also, some dark spots start to appear which eventually turn brown. It is interesting that most people avoid buying and consuming brown color bananas. But, did you know that the riper bananas are and the more dark patches they have, the more TNF they contain? Now many of you would ask, what is TNF? Well, TNF is cancer-fighting substance that has the ability to fight against abnormal body cells. This substance is extremely beneficial when it comes to enabling the communication between cells of the immune response system. It also helps the cell movement towards certain body areas where infection or inflammation is present. According to a recent study, the ripe bananas contain TNF that obstructs the growth of the tumor cells. This substance in same time inhibits the spread of tumor cells, thus it induces apoptosis, cell death. Along with this incredible benefit, bananas contain high amounts of antioxidants. Bananas are great for strengthening of the immune system and give great boost to the white blood cells count. So, next time you see brown banana you should not throw it away. You will get all of the above mentioned benefits, but an energy boost, as well. Below you can read few more reasons why you should eat more bananas. Blood pressure and heartburn. Bananas are high in potassium and low in sodium, which makes them the perfect food for the blood pressure and heart health. Energy. Bananas are abundant with vitamins, minerals and low glycemic carbohydrates, and that makes them a great energy snack. Bananas are the perfect fruit before exercise. Experts said that the potassium will prevent muscle cramps. Good source of brain, skin, and bone health, boosting manganese. Banana nutrition can benefit your brain, skin and bones because just one banana contains 16% of the manganese you need for the day, plus it is a good source of vitamin C, about 14% DV, that aids in collagen production to keep you looking young. Manganese is important for many functions within the body, including maintaining healthy skin, keeping the skeletal structure strong, maintaining proper brain function, and reducing free radical damage. Studies have shown that manganese can help with healthy brain function and to prevent conditions including epilepsy and Parkinson's disease. Some animal studies have shown that low levels of manganese contribute to poor bone health and possibly even conditions like osteoporosis. Manganese benefits the health and appearance of your skin by contributing to the production of collagen, an important structural component that maintains skin's youthful appearance and elasticity. Manganese also acts as an anti-inflammatory and antioxidant, two crucial properties that are useful in naturally slowing aging since they reduce free radical damage and oxidative stress. Fighting anemia. For those patients who have anemia, it is advisable to bananas as they will provide your body with essential dietary iron. That will stimulate production of hemoglobin and red blood cells and will strengthen your blood supply. Cancer. Some evidence suggests that moderate consumption of bananas may be protective against kidney cancer. A 2005 Swedish study found that women who ate more than 75 servings of fruits and vegetables cut their risk of kidney cancer by 40%, and that bananas were especially effective. Women eating 4 to 6 bananas a week have their risk of developing kidney cancer. Bananas may be helpful in preventing kidney cancer because of their high levels of antioxidant phenolic compounds. Fighting ulcers. If you have stomach ulcers, the doctors will advise you to avoid different types of foods. Still, you can always eat bananas without worries that it will cause pain. Namely, due to the soft and smooth texture of bananas, they will protect the stomach from any kind of irritation or corrosive acids. Heart health. Bananas are good for your heart. They are packed with potassium, a mineral electrolyte that keeps electricity flowing throughout your body, which is required to keep your heart beating. Bananas' high potassium and low sodium content may also help protect your cardiovascular system against high blood pressure, according to the FDA. Fighting depression. Substance called tryptophan is great in fight against depression. This component has the ability to turn into serotonin when it enters the body, which is well known as a brain neurotransmitter. So, in case you want to improve your mood, our advice is to eat banana. Vision. Carrots may get all the glory for helping your eyes, but bananas do their share as well. The fruits contain a small but significant amount of vitamin A, which is essential for protecting your eyes, maintaining normal vision and improving vision at night, according to the National Institutes of Health. Vitamin A contains compounds that preserve the membranes around your eyes and are an element in the proteins that bring light to your corneas. Like other fruits, bananas can help prevent macular degeneration, an incurable condition, which blurs central vision. Improving constipation. The banana contains substances that stimulate irregular bowel movements, therefore the constipation will be relieved on natural way. Help with PMS, nerves. Nowadays a lot of people experience stress and feeling moody. Thanks to the high content of vitamin B in bananas, this fruit will soothe the nervous system and will make you to feel relaxed. Healthy temperature control. Banana has the ability to maintain body temperature, so when it comes to controlling of body temperature and when the weather is hot or in case of fever, banana can be of great help. Please subscribe to our channel and also share it with your friends. Thank you.